We just got orientation finished up. We're life jacket on, helmet on, with our bags for the weekend. And we're heading to the river. Rome and Helen's boat. We'll see you all out there on the river. All right, we just hit our first few class 3 rapids of the day. Super exciting, really wet, refreshing in this 95 degrees heat. We're now scouting Tunnel Chute, which is the big class 4 on this one. We're gonna hear from the guides sort of how we're supposed to hit it and what we're gonna be doing on the other side. So we're looking forward to it. Should be a good rapid. It's that good. This is exactly what I needed to like decompress and like get away from the computer, is wading through waterfalls. Hard to beat. We just got to camp. You can see we got prime real estate, beach and everything. Fire line getting all of the equipment up, all hands on deck, and we're really excited to stay here tonight. We're right along the river. We got chicken, we got steak, we got peppers, we got garlic bread, we got pasta, we got salad. What more could you ask for? Day 2, packed up our camp, slept out under the stars, woke up with the sun, down by the river. Guys are making coffee and breakfast. We're about to head down there right now. Get ready for day 2. More rapids, here we come. This is where we're having lunch. Can you believe it? My God. Alrighty, we just got done with the water day 2. Hit like 5 class 4s, huge ones. Great overall rafting trip. Can't ask for a better time out here on the American River than with All Outdoors.